Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install and configure SMTP server on Windows. First, open the Server Manager. Then click the Add Roles and Features button. In the Installation Type window, select Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation. Click Next to continue. You should now be at the page where you can choose your final server. Click the Next button after selecting a server from the server pool. Now, select the SMTP server options in the Features tab. Continue to click on Add Features and click Next. Now select Role Services is in front of you. Choose the following options and click on Next. The screen to verify the installation should appear. Click on the Install button to begin the setup. You'll need to give the installation some time to complete. Restarting the server after installation is complete is required. Now, select the Tools option and locate Internet Information Services, IIS, 6.0 Manager from the drop-down menu. Next, expand the computer name in IIS Manager 6.0, right-click on SMTP Virtual, and select Properties from the drop-down menu. In the General tab, set the IP address to the server's IP address. In the Access tab, set the IP address for the internal devices in the Connection button. Continue to add the same IP address to the relay list. In the Delivery tab, select an external domain. You can add a smart host if necessary or use the free customized domain from Microsoft. Then, tick the Attempt Direct Delivery box if you want the server to try to deliver the email directly first before using the smart host. Click on OK. The next step is to open the SMTP port on the Windows firewall to access it from outside hosts. To set up the firewall, please refer to the following instructions. Open the Windows Defender firewall. Click on Advanced Settings. Select New Rule from the Inbound Rule context menu. Choose the port you want to use, then press the Next button. Now you will see the protocol and ports. You need to specify the protocol and port number before proceeding. Then, click the Next button after choosing to allow the connection. Next, the profile selection screen will appear. Uncheck the public option to prevent outside access to the server. Then, name the rule and click Finish to create the rule. Next, open Services. Right-click on the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol service and select Properties. Then, select the startup type you want and click OK. You can test if the SMTP server is working by using Telnet. Open the command prompt. Run the following command. If you receive a response starting with 220, your SMTP server is working. Now, use a simple email client or command line to send a test email to ensure the server can send emails successfully.